Okay, a little bit of an update on the Hermes. I've had a bit of a play and managed to get some of the type bars to sit down. Now, it appears that mostly it's going to be a problem of just filth in the basket again. I've come across this before. Tends to be as a result of people actually filling this section here with oil, oiling their typewriter, because no one's actually showed them how to maintain these things properly. So maybe a bit of a blast of air with an air compressor or something like that, it might actually loosen some of these up. But this guy here, Mr. shall we say, Mr. X, focus you silly thing, appears to be a little more of a problem. He sort of operates, but I'm not holding out any hope for getting that going particularly easily. Yes, that's the serial number. I'm going to look that up in a minute, get some sort of idea of how old it is, but I'm guessing that 61 might indicate the year. But that's an assumption to make at a later stage. I kind of like this guy. He is battered and dented and not even working, but I reckon I probably could get this guy going. Although it might require a bit of channeling my typewriter repairing grandfather who's been deceased for a while, because I really don't know where to go with this bit. One step at a time. Anyway, thanks for watching.